is unboxing day. Oh my god. I'm super excited to share this video with you guys. Okay, it's been a long time I do unboxing videos on my page, on my channel. Okay, so today I got this from Royal Hair Barcelona. Okay, and I was like, I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Okay, subscribe and make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll be dropping an important information for you guys. Okay, so I got this package from Royal Hair Barcelona. Okay, so from the look already, you know we are talking about hair, the royal one. Okay, royalty. Okay, if you're royalty, try and get a package from Royal Hair. Okay, so let's see what is inside. All right, so and I'm super excited sharing this video with you guys. Oh, the packaging is beautiful. It's as if this is a bag. Okay, the packaging is beautiful. Okay, so we are going to go ahead to open it up. Oh, I'll be bringing it out one after the other. Okay, so first we've got this gift in here. Is edge control. Is a gift, edge control. Okay, and we've got this sleeping cap, and it's written Royal Hair, the luxury hair brand. Luxury hair brand, that's what they wrote there. Okay, so let me set these two aside, and it has a note inside. It has a note inside. Okay, say thank you since 2011 we have been dedicated to ensuring you remain gorgeous. Your trust and loyalty have shaped our journey. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your beautiful moments, milestones, and transformations. We appreciate you. With love from Royal Hair XL. Muchas gracias. Okay, so you know they wrote this because this is their Barcelona branch. Okay, that is why they wrote muchas gracias. That's thank you. All right, yeah. So let's get to the main thing that is in this box. From the sighting already, I love the color. The color is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, the description of the hair. Okay, let me read it out for you guys. The description of the hair is here. Okay, it said the hair type. It says hair type SDDS. Okay, length 14 inches, weight 300 grams, closure size Kim K. Okay, so that's what it says here. Okay. This is 14 inches. Okay, let me just put it on and I will tell you guys what I think. Okay. I should wear wig cap, but for now, for this video, we'll just go like this. And trust me, anyway, if I'm going to wear this summer, I don't think I'm going to use the wig cap because the weather is quite hot. Okay, I love the, how the closure is. Very beautiful. You can see, guys. Okay. Okay. This is just wear and go. I love the color. Okay, because the color is like the top part is like color 4, and going to the tips it goes to, this is color 6 or color 8. I think it should be color 6. That's color 4 up here, and as it's going down, it goes to color 4. I love it, and I love the way it's just hanging, you know, on my shoulder. I think it fits me, the color, it matches my color. I think I love this hair. So let me know what you will score this hair in the comments, okay? I think it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. That's why you just throw this on your hair and you're off to wherever you're going to. You're off to church, to your meetings, to your work, you know, anywhere you're going, to your party. Let me know what you think about this hair. I think I love it. The color, you see, as it's going, the color, and I love the way the color is so natural. I'm a natural person anyway. I love things when they're in their natural state. I love things in their natural state, seriously. Oh, this is beautiful. So if you're in Barcelona, okay, and so anywhere around Europe, okay, they have they have office now in Barcelona, okay, somewhere in Badalona. And if you want anything from, you can check them out on Instagram, Royal Hair. Okay, their office address is there. Or you can buy from their page or from their website, I think so. And they deliver within 24 and 48 hours. Anywhere in Europe, Germany, UK, France, Netherlands, Norway, anywhere you are. Okay, and they have a lot of beautiful hairs. It's not only for black people, they have hairs that white people can put to. If you're on a stretch hair, they sell bundles too. Okay, but they are mainly wig people. I think I love this. What do you guys think? What do you think about this hair? Yeah, I love it. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video, not at all. Okay, but because I love this, I said I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Okay, and because I love it, I think if you're in Barcelona, somewhere around Europe, okay, you don't want to the stress of Nigerians and all that. Okay, I think you can trust them with your money and you will get quality. Okay, you will get, I'm not into wearing wig every day. Okay, once in a while I do throw wig on my hair. Okay, I don't have plenty of it either. All right, so but this one is beautiful. This one will be my everyday wig now. This will be my everyday wig now. Okay, so I think I love it. Let me know what you think. It's beautiful and it's not blocking my eyes. It's just the fall is just there, and I love the way it's hanging on my shoulder. Okay, it's not hanging up here. It's just the way it's just relaxing on my shoulder. I think I love it. Okay, I love it. If I want to say bring it this way now, I think I love it. Okay, let me try something. Let me try something with this hair. Let me try if I can put it by the side. I can pull it by the side too if I want to. Wow, what do you think? I removed it from the center just a little bit, just by the side a little. Wow. If I don't want it to be at the center, right at the center here, I just moved it like an inch away from the center to just give that side the look. I think it's only beautiful like that. Oh, so because this is a win for us, we are going to remove the tag. Okay, because it's a win for us, we are removing the tag. So we love, because we love the hair, we are removing the tag. Removing the tag, removing the tag. Yeah, we love the hair. We remove the tag, so we are keeping it. Okay, because if we don't like it, we are returning it. But because we love the hair, we are keeping it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. All right, I'll see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave us your comments in the comment section.